Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to listen to audiobooks on Spotify. So this is this new update with Spotify allowing us to listen to audiobooks. So I'll show you guys how to do it. All you guys have to do is head over to your app store and make sure you're fully updated on Spotify. So just go to the app store and search for Spotify. You'll know if you have an update here if it says update beside it, just like mine does right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on update. I'm going to just give this a second to update for me. And then all we're going to do is open up the application and I'll show you guys where the audiobooks are. Once it's done just like this, we just want to click on open to open it up. And then right at the very top, for me at least, we see the audiobooks. You guys might have to scroll down if you don't see it, but there is a couple here right now. There will be more added into the future, but as you guys see, there is a good amount here already. Now, if you guys click on the audiobook you're interested in, you guys can see there's different episodes, which are the chapters of the book. So you guys can scroll through here and listen to the specific chapters if you want to. So this is going to be a new thing with Spotify. I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys that this is available and where to get it. If this video does help you guys out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.